How to use ClickView. ClickView is a collection of educational videos for teaching and learning, covering most subjects. ClickView both creates videos and brings them in from other sources. The original content is curriculum mapped with thousands of accompanying educational resources. ClickView can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the See tab. Type your search term in the search box and click on the magnifying glass. You can filter the results by subject, by age rating, if there is associated learning resources, or by one of the other filters. You can also narrow your search using one of the associated keywords. You can save the video to a playlist or share the video by creating a link. Clicking on the title allows you to view the video. You can make the video a favourite, create a clip from a selection of the video, turn the subtitles on or off, create a quiz for the video, add to a playlist, and create a link to the video to share. There may be learning resources available that can be downloaded or printed. You can discover or browse the subjects. You can see new videos or top ClickView videos, or browse the different topics. You can edit the subjects that appear in the Discover dashboard. Click on the Edit button and switch off the subjects you don't want to see. You can access a limited range of movies and TV programs on ClickView. You can browse the selection by studios and networks, or by one of the other options available when scrolling down the page. Any videos you save to a playlist will appear on the playlist page. My Videos shows any video clips you've created. You can also upload any of your own videos into ClickView. Help can be found by clicking on your initials on the top right and choosing Help Center from the drop-down menu.